There's no typo in the title. I have officially sold my 2019 Mustang GT. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And I've been meaning to make this video for a little bit now. Welcome to the new year, and I no longer have the car that I've owned for 3 years and almost built the channel on at this point. Earlier in December, late November, I decided to make the executive decision to sell my Mustang. I had talked about it with you guys in the past. I told you guys, hey, this is what's going on. I'm most likely going to be selling the car coming into the next couple of months. Here's the reasons why. So let's actually talk about the reasons why I sold the car, how much I sold the car for, how much I bought the car for, and whether or not I would buy the car again, or just kind of going into the future, what is going to happen. I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I didn't really know how to say it or how to bring it up, but I thought, well, we're in the new year now. It's been a little too long since I've addressed the topic, and I've kind of been dragging it on, and some people might have picked up on it, but the car is gone. I sold the car for a number of reasons. Number one, the market has officially cooled and is cooling and is crashing, and at the time I was looking at it, the market had come down a little bit, but I still was on the positive side of the car. Maybe not positive like financially speaking, but just like relatively speaking, I was still in the green and I wasn't way over or under or anything, and if I continue to own the car, it's going to keep decreasing in value every month, but every year as well that I own it. There's a new Mustang out, and also, I mean, the interest rates are so high that people aren't buying right now, and they're probably going to stay like that for a while now. So this $35,000, $30,000 car probably would lose anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 in the following years. And you know, sometimes you accept appreciation as a thing, but when I was looking at it with the Mustang, it's like, do I really want to take a hit on this car at this moment, or do I just sell it, move on, because I don't see it in the future collection. The reason I don't see the Mustang 5-10 years in the future being part of the collection, obviously now the car is gone, but the reason I didn't see it when I still had it as part of the collection and future collection is because, number one, it was a daily driver, something I drove every day, put miles on, and I didn't really know when I was going to sell it, but if the right time came, I would know. And that, and also, I want to buy a Shelby GT350 and a GT500. So having a GT350, GT500, and my GT wouldn't really make financial sense. At the very least, I want to have a GT350, and it just wouldn't make sense to have another $30,000+ car that's almost the same. Didn't really want to take depreciation, and now is a good time to get out of it, and in the future I want to buy a Shelby GT350 and upgrade into another car. The financial sense, also like a third thing, even if I didn't want to buy a GT350, it just wouldn't make sense if I wanted to upgrade. Eventually there will be an upgrade, whether that's in a year from now or 2 years from now. There will be an upgrade from the Mustang to something more of an exotic super muscle car of the last couple of years. I did not sell the car to buy a 350. I sold the car in anticipation at some point I'll buy the 350. There's not a GT350 or a GT500 anytime soon coming to the garage, most likely. Also that, and if you guys remember, I did have a few problems with the car. It came time that I stopped enjoying the MT82, and I wasn't ready for when my warranty was eventually going to go away to handle any issues that came with it. Put 20,000 miles on it. I bought the car for about $35,000, and I sold the car for about $32,000. I would have got $35,000 out of the car if I sold it 4 to 6 months ago, but I really wasn't ready to let go of it, and the time came towards the end of this year where I accepted letting go of the car, especially after my diff started leaking. I had a diff pinion seal leak, I had O2 sensors go bad, I had to get a new clutch, new synchros in the car, and all of that was just from light daily driving and moderately mild back road driving. There is one thing though, I miss the sound and having a fast car, because I haven't driven a car over 300 horsepower in over a month, and I miss it. Soon enough, there will be something that replaces the car in some light. It's gonna take some time. That being said, I bought a new car yesterday, and the reveal will come sometime in the near future. It's a car that I've been looking for a while now, and it's nice. It's something that we'll make a few videos on, and hopefully come springtime we'll be able to take it out once again. If you guys are excited to see the new car, make sure to subscribe, because within the next month I will be revealing it, and it's cool. It's very cool.